Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at how to change the key battery on a modern Mercedes S-Class. Might also apply to a couple other models, but I'll link this vehicle in the description below. So this one's super easy. You don't need any tools. You're just going to start by flipping to the back side, pushing on the circular knob on the top. Take the back side of the key, just put it on either side, give it a little twist. The back cover is going to come right off, and then you're also going to just, again, use the same key you just popped out on the tab here, and then your CR2032 battery will be easily replaced. And then you're just pretty much going to do the reverse operation. Put your key battery cover back on, slide on the bottom side of your key cover, gently snap towards the top, and slide in your key blade, and you're all done. Thanks for watching.